Winter is finally letting go. You can really feel the garden waking up. This is the time when everything starts again. Today I want to repot a 15-year-old Chinese elm and also check a young hornbeam that's just getting started. The elm lost a couple of small branches over winter, nothing unusual. It'll push new growth soon anyway. I was waiting the whole year for this moment. It's the only time you really get to see how the roots are doing. Some of these thicker roots have been circling for a while. I don't really need all of them anymore. I'll take a few off to give space to younger roots. It seems to be brutal, but it is a very important part. For the soil I'm using my usual mix, including lava, pumice and zeolite, even composted bark. It drains fast, which is really important after root work. I'm preparing a pot, so as usually mesh over the holes and a wire to secure the tree. A small mound of soil in the middle helps spread the roots nicely. There's a bit of empty space under the trunk, so I'm placing a stone there to support the root base. And I'm positioning the tree slightly off center. It just feels more natural. I tied it down firmly. Movement is the last thing you want now. Then I work in soiling carefully. Make sure there are no gaps left inside. And a good soak at the end. I'll trim a few longer shoots, but I'm not touching much as this tree needs energy after root work. Meanwhile, the hornbeam is just starting to open its buds. This hornbeam is only 4 years old, so it is still in a very early stage. I'm checking the roots first. The roots are growing on 2 different levels, which is not ideal. I decided to remove the upper layer to create a cleaner base. I'm placing the roots flat on a small stone so they will spread more horizontally over time. After root work, it goes back into a regular plastic pot, as for now growth is more important than aesthetics. Just a few light cuts to encourage branching. Part of this tree will become the design, and part of it will grow freely to thicken the trunk, and it will be cut off in the future. At the end of the day, I come back to the elm. A bit of moss on top and thin layer of akadama. It just keeps everything stable and protected. Now it's just a matter of time. Spring will take care of the rest. This season just gets started, so yeah, stay tuned.